Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you Clawdeen, Monster High Holiday doll, winter edition. So here she is, she's really pretty. I'm just going to be showing to you what she looks like. I'm not going to be unboxing her. This is my first doll that I've kept in the box. So here is the back of her box. It's really pretty, really nice looking. I hope to collect the rest of the winter edition dolls. I purchased her off of Amazon. She wasn't that pricey, and I've had her now for a while, and I'm really glad that I got her. Let me know if y'all have any of the winter edition Monster High dolls, or if you have any of the other collector dolls as well. And give me some suggestions of dolls that I should get for my collection far as Monster High, LOL, Rainbow High, and Bratz. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video. Bye!